Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to share with you this beautiful shower head. It is the CIRCLESPLASH shower head. It is in black matte, which we love. It is sleek, it is modern, but best of all, if you like powerful water pressure, this is the shower head for you. Now, right off of the bat, when I took this out, I just loved the quality of this product. You can see that it's very well made. It has a mesh screen here, which can be removed if you would like even more water pressure. It is universal. We replaced our old shower head with it, and it was so easy to install. It was as simple as screwing it on, as you can see here. Now let's take a look at this awesome water pressure. This has 90 jets, so we can imagine the pressure coming out of here. When it says that it feels like a hotel spa, there's no lying there. Something else that's wonderful about these silicone jets is that they are flexible and they'll be very easy to clean. They are anti-clog, and if you have hard water, you won't have to worry about calcification. If you're looking for a beautiful, quality, modern shower head that again has that amazing water pressure, I definitely would recommend this shower head. But that's just my point of view.